Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to narrate the life events of Kitten. Please watch, subscribe, like, share and comment. Kitten Bachka is the pilot of the King Kitten gunmen. He is the only male member of the Black siblings and is at first a rival to Kamina, but later on accepts Kamina as a leader. Kitten is first introduced as the leader of the Black siblings and is the oldest of the Black siblings. During his first encounter with Team Gurren, he mistakenly confuses Kamina for a beastman. This is reconciled when it is discovered that Kamina is piloting the gunman, Gurren. Shortly after, the two teams, the Black siblings and Team Gurren, come into contact with the 16-headed enemy gunmen, whom the Black siblings had crossed paths with earlier. After the eventual defeat of the enemy gunmen, the two teams part ways. Kitten eventually parts ways with his sisters who join up with Team Gurren soon after, before returning to aid Team Gurren against one of the four supreme generals in his own acquired gunman, King Kitten, and with others inspired by Kamina who obtained gunmen of their own they have captured and customized. This event consequently leads to the formation of Team Daiguren. As a result of the death of Kamina, Kitten temporarily takes over as the leader of the team. But after Simon recovers from his depression over Kamina's death, Kitten transfers the control of leadership to him. After the war, Kitten became the chief of the Legal Affairs Bureau in Kamina City, but resigned after discovering about Roshio's plan to evacuate Earth using the Ark Gurren, along a small fraction of the human population, and abandoning the rest to die when the moon falls. Before leaving, he demanded Roshio to return the quadrille he took from Simon and rushed on his gunmen to deliver it back to him. Kitten meets his demise by protecting the other members of Team Daiguren. Super Galaxy Daiguren, unable to escape the incredibly dense space sea produced by the Death Spiral machine, is ordered by Simon to move towards the center of the sea, where the machine rests surrounded by a powerful shield. Kitten offers to take the Space King Kitten on a mission to destroy the shield and fire spiral-based missiles at the core of the Death Spiral machine, but not before stealing a kiss from Yoko and apologizing for his selfishness. Kitten vows not to go out saying any showy crap like later buddy. Though he successfully breaks through the shield, the Space King Kitten is crushed by the immense gravity of the space sea, leaving Team Daiguren shocked at what they think is the death of Kitten. However, the original King Kitten, wielding one of the drills that broke off from the Gurren Lagann when it was attempting to transform Super Galaxy Daiguren into humanoid form, flies towards the machine's core, screaming his final speech. Kitten awakens his own spiral power, melding the drill to his King Kitten and performing his own variation of Kamina's signature attack, the Giga Drill Break, to destroy the Death Spiral machine. The resulting explosion engulfs and kills Kitten, who notes before he dies that spiral power is really something, but also frees the Super Galaxy Daiguren from the space sea, allowing Simon to transform it into Super Galaxy Gurren Lagann and fulfill Kitten's dying wish. Kitten is a skilled pilot and was able to destroy many gunmen and anti-spiral ships. In fact, considering he only awakened his spiral power immediately before his death, he is the best human pilot without the use of spiral power. Kitten is another character to have spiral power. He awakens it when he destroys the death machine. It allowed him to use the King Kitten Giga Drill Breaker, which led to his death. In the epilogue, a memorial site in the form of a sword is seen in his honor right alongside Kamina and the other members of Team Daiguren. At last, I want to say that Kitten is a brave warrior who proves a great mirror to Kamina. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video.